Here I have an Excel sheet of data from a survey and I want to move this into SPSS. So this is all the data. It's got a lot of columns and it's got a lot of rows, a lot of data in there as well. And over here we have the key, which is, now when I talk about sex, if I say 1 it means male, 2 it means female. So we'll see over here we have a column called sex, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, etc. So that goes throughout. So I know what the numbers mean and I've got data. How do I get it into SPSS? Well, you might think you just copy and paste it, but that doesn't work. Let me show you why. If I just select the top left here to get everything, Option, Command key and C, because we're on a Mac, go over here, top left, and if I just paste that in, it doesn't really work. And you see why? Because we've got the first row of data, the first person of data are the titles. And all the titles are just variable 1, 2, 3. So if I go to variables view, you'll see that it's got a whole load of these. Now that's actually okay if we've got a simple survey, because I can just go over here and say, right, let's just clear that first row, go into here and then start adding things. We've got ID's number 1. What's number 2? I can't remember. Number 2 is sex. There we are. I could do that. And if it's only a few things, that's fine. But I've got so much data there, it's going to take me ages to do. I don't want to do that. Also, there's formatting issues with everything else. Is it nominal? Is it ordinal? What are we talking about? So I'm not going to do that way. I'm going to just close this down and I'm going to create a brand new SPSS file, and I'll show you the fastest way to do this, the one which I use whenever I'm moving from Excel into SPSS. Let's just start this up, take a second to get going. This is SPSS version 31, by the way, so if you've got an earlier version, this will work the same, or a later version should work the same. So I'm going to double click at the top here for new data set. And at the top, I'm going to say File, Import Data, then choose Excel. That takes me to here and it says what data do you want to import. The Excel file is called Survey. Click Open. The next dialog box is really important. So the worksheet, that's just the worksheet in Excel. So maybe your Excel sheet has many, many pages. This is just the one. It's fine for us. Range, you can restrict the cells we're looking at. Leave that blank because we care about everything. Now we know that our spreadsheet over here contains one row of titles. So we leave this thing here at 1. Yes, rows contain variable names. Percentage of values that determine data types, put 95%. Ignore hidden rows and columns. And then you can say remove leading spaces from string values, remove trailing spaces from string values. This is if you've written a word like happiness. If you have a space before or a space after, it deletes them. That makes things a little bit easier because SPSS does not like spaces in titles. So I'm going to click OK, and you'll see in a second, there we are, it's imported everything. What's really great about doing it this way is go to Data View, we've just got data. Over here, we've got our IDs, our sex, our age, our marital status, all these things are there. So we've now imported everything into SPSS and we are almost ready to go. So we're going to look over here. We've got things about missing data. So we've got spoke number, got a dot, we've got 2, and we've got a 0. So that is called missing data. So in the next video, we're going to deal with missing data.